So I finally fixed the arms on the Leap, Steelcase Leap V2. They were really loud. This one was especially loud, my right one. I have another video showing that. The left one is still a little bit loud when you do that, which happens when I move around. Now this is my little fix. Look at that. It's silent, sturdy. And one of the reasons this was a problem with the original arm is they shipped it without this little white piece. It was missing right here. So as soon as I got a replacement, I just took this little white piece, put it at the bottom of my arm. Everything became much better, but still not perfect, kind of like this. And then all I did was took this little white sticky piece of tape and put it right here. And now, super solid. That's how you fix the Leap chair arms with like a 1 cent of materials.